You see these dogs in your front yard? Just know upstairs I'm going hard. Bing bong.
302 gang, it's your boy 302 back with another video, bro. Make sure y'all hit that like button and leave a comment down below. Yeah, man, my car giving me trouble. I believe I got a dead cell in my my battery or something like that, because I've been getting jumped for the last 2 days and I'm tired of it. Look at my car parked right now. I just got jumped by my brother. Come on, man. Look at my car, man. Yeah, we having some real trouble. We got a the car got to keep getting jumped off. I believe it's a bad battery, so today we're gonna go get a battery, replace it. You can see the battery I got. Battery right there. I really want to do a battery relocation and switch it to the back, but that's for another video at another time. Right now I gotta go to the daycare, pick up my boys. Pulling up in the Mustang, to go pick up my boys. So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned for this video. Start the intro. Say what's up to the camera. Say what's up. Say what's up, Kobe. Pick up the little rascals. About to drop them off. Then we're gonna go check out this battery situation. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, YouTube. As you can see, we are in the PT Mobile. It's my mama car. But we about to go up here and take it to AutoZone to get it tested and see what's going on with it. The boss sitting right there looking all sad with no battery in it. You know, it is what it is. But we about to go. Oh, they got the sunroof in this can. Let me open the sunroof. Oh, we driving in style, baby. Driving in style. No, let me crack that guy a little bit. How you crack this thing? Just a little bit open. Woo, there we go. Aerodynamics. Oh yeah, it's lit. Oh yeah, it's lit up in here. Oh, let me get out the street before I get hit. You know, just quick driving in the car. Look at that, boy. We're driving in style. I wish, why Mustangs don't come with sunroofs, man? I wish they did. They would be so much cooler if they came with sunroofs. Off to AutoZone. Hopefully they can just tell me. By the way, check out the shirt, tsunamiclothing.com. Make sure y'all, go check them out. They doing real big things over there. Good, nice winter collection on the way. They got ill jackets, a lot of stuff. So make sure y'all go check them out. But yeah, man, I don't know what it is, man. My car been acting real funny. I really think it's the cold weather and the E85 not mixing too well, because basically what was going on is my car, like if you got an E85 car in winter, you kind of know. It takes a minute, it act like it doesn't want to start. So in that little bit of time that it act like it doesn't want to start, it's like, it be just turning over. So by the second time I try it, the battery is gone damn near. Once I actually get the car started, the battery don't die. Like it stay running like the whole time, but it's just some cold starts. For some reason, like the cold start, like it's too much for the battery. So might be, like I said, hopefully it's a dead cell in the battery or something like that. Something that we could just replace out real quick. Like I ain't got time to be dealing with all these extra issues. I already got to take the car to my homie anyway to check out some other stuff. So hopefully that's just it. But yeah, let's get to this AutoZone, man, and get this done. This is embarrassing, YouTube. I don't even know how to get the key out of this thing. I gotta call my. Let me call my sister. Bro, that ain't make no sense. I went in there for 10 minutes and the battery's not good. She was like, you need a charger? I was like, no, I don't need a charger. I just need to see if the battery's good or not. She put that thing on there for 5 minutes, son. I tell you, it was bad battery that quick. So, let's go replace it. Hey, this is what I be telling my car sometimes. Hey, what you want from me, boss? So YouTube, we at Walmart, and this is our replacement battery right here. It's $100. This is our bad one. This is our good one. And YouTube, just like that, man. Got my new battery. Only paid $107 for it. They took the old one. They could do that right here at Walmart, man. If y'all need a battery, you can go to Walmart and get it done. It's a lot cheaper. It's a lot cheaper than going to them O'Reilly's or something like that. They be charging mad money. Walmart is way cheaper. So let's get this back to the boss, man, and get started. Woo! Took care of that. But the line at Walmart was so long, dude. Like, I'm like, damn, man. As you can see, mission complete. Got a battery right here in the passenger seat with a 3-year warranty on it, so. Well, 2-year for replacement, so. That's good to go. Even if it don't work, bring that sucker right back. So, back to the boss we go. Alright, YouTube, battery is in. Let's see if the car can start by itself without a jump. Smooth, baby. Damn. Might be back in business, my baby. Might be back in business. None of my lights been fuck on. Might be back in business, baby. Back in business, my baby. Finally back running. God, this car is a pain in the behind, man. This car be driving me crazy, but we back, man. Let's go for a run. This was just a quick video, 302 gang. As you can see, I got the hookah, and I'm about to end my night off playing Modern Warfare 2, of course, with the guys. We about to jump on Warzone, so you know, make sure you like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. 302 Gang, we out.
Hey, follow 302 Nightmare, fucking like, subscribe, and that's it. Comment too, bitch.